I went from being pre-med to being a mechanic. Now, this video took a lot of courage to film, so bear with me. But give me 5 minutes to tell you my story because it might just connect and it may just help you out if you're in the same position I was a few months ago. Growing up, I wasn't particularly good or amazing at anything, really. I'm not saying I was a loser, I'm just saying I wasn't like excelling in sports or I wasn't super amazing academically. I wasn't anything special to anybody, really. I was just your average guy floating through high school completely under the radar. Ever since I could remember, I had the plans of becoming a doctor. That's what I always seen myself as. That's what I pictured myself doing for the rest of my life. I never even considered other possibilities or other options. But then the day came that I bought my first ever truck in high school. And I started to work on it, started to learn how to work on it, started fixing it, diagnosing it, and I completely fell in love. For the first time in my life, thanks to that truck, I had gained confidence. I had gained respect for myself. I saw myself differently. For the first time in my life, I was proud of myself. People saw me for the first time and they saw me as this 17, 18-year-old kid who was able to diagnose and fix their cars. That was amazing. I loved that feeling. But then, of course, the day came to go to university, and that's what I did. I got in and I went into pre-med and I started studying. A couple of years go by and it's not clicking. I wasn't really as happy as I thought I could be. Being in that classroom, although I was getting good grades and I was getting good tests, but no matter how good the grade was, whether it was just a single test or the whole semester or my whole GPA, it never gave me the same feeling as working on my truck. And I know for a lot of people that sounds ridiculous, but just bear with me. While I was in lectures and everybody else was taking notes and they were sending emails trying to get the best volunteer opportunities and the tutors and all that, I was on my computer on Facebook Marketplace or researching a car or looking how to fix some random cars, stuff like that. I never even allowed myself the opportunity to consider other options in my life. I'm not rich by any means, so getting through med school would have to be through government loans. And so I knew that if I was going to go through with this, I needed to be 100% sure. And the truth is, when I finally let myself think about it, I realized that I wasn't even 70% sure. But while all this was going on, I would spend my afternoons after school at the junkyard teaching myself how to take engines out of cars. Truth is, I had never given myself the chance to realize that I had found a passion. Not just something I enjoyed, not just something I loved, like a passion. When you tell people that you're going to become a doctor, people pat you on the back and they say, "You're amazing, great, you must be so smart, you must be an awesome person." When you tell those same people that you love working on cars and you want to be sticky and greasy for the rest of your life, people look at you like you got hit in the head. And finally, as the years passed, the day came. It was time for me to decide. And once again, thanks to cars, for the first time in my life, I actually listened to myself. I followed what my heart wants, not just what my brain says I should do, because it makes the most logical sense from a societal standpoint. I decided that I was gonna do everything in my power to succeed and make this passion into a career. My plan is to still find an apprenticeship at a good shop. My dream is to work in performance and tuning, and one day to have my own garage and my own business. I want my name to be out there. I want my name to be known. I want people to come to me to build their cars. And I want to instill my passion for cars to other people, whether that's employees, colleagues, whatever. For the first time, I really do think this is the road for me. And for the first time, I'm not embarrassed of it. So from now on, that's what I'll be doing. Point is, follow that little voice, follow that passion, because no matter what industry it is, no matter what you're coming from, you could change the life of somebody. And more importantly, you could change your own life. Life is short. You only get one of them. Do it. Be yourself. Do what you love. Doesn't matter what that is. And don't let anybody dictate what your life is. It's yours. Go do it. Go live it and enjoy it. I can't wait. I fucking love cars, dude. I fucking love cars. Happy ranching, everybody.